Hi everyone! Welcome to another cooking episode. Today I'm making a tempeh-based meal. For those not familiar with tempeh, it is a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans. It is packed with protein and other nutrients, has a firm texture and nutty flavor, making it a fantastic meat substitute in plant-based recipes. Fermentation process introduces beneficial bacteria, which can aid in digestion and gut health. Today's recipe is inspired by Indonesian Gado Gado and its main component, peanut sauce. I learned this recipe in Bali during yoga retreat, where we also had cooking lessons. This sauce helps counteract slight bitterness of tempeh, as who, if not Indonesians, would know how to make a great meal out of this superfood. Let's see what is needed to make it. Besides the sauce, there are three main ingredients: 250 grams of tempeh, 400 grams of green beans, which is about 3 cups, and 400 grams of carrots, which would also make 3 cups. For the sauce, I have here 4 large medjool dates. Their sweetness will balance the slight bitterness of tempeh. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, juice of half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 cups of water. Preparation begins with cutting tempeh into equally sized sticks. Then cut the carrots as well to approximately match tempeh pieces. Do the same with green beans. Luckily for me, no cutting magic was required as I bought them already prepped. Get a baking tray lined up with a silicone nut that is slightly bigger than the bottom to accommodate the sauce, or you can use a glass baking dish. Transfer tempeh first to make sure it will be fully covered with sauce, and then add carrots and green beans sticks. It is a good time to preheat the oven, setting it at 200 degrees Celsius. Now, onto the sauce. Use a blender to combine its ingredients. Put dates, garlic, ginger, lemon juice, soy sauce, peanut butter, and 1 glass of water to start. Run the blender for a minute. Then add the second cup and process for another minute. Done! Pour the peanut sauce over tempeh and veggies. Bake this for about 40 minutes. Cooking tempeh this way will ensure that it fully absorbs the flavors. And you have 40 minutes for yourself, as you don't have to stand at the stove. You can either use it to clean up, or you can squeeze in an exercise routine to truly deserve that delicious meal. Just out of the oven. Smells like heaven. In Indonesia, they are using banana leaves for impressive meal presentation. I didn't find any in the Dutch supermarkets, so I must work with what I have. I'm using field salad and brown rice as a side dish. Here it is, a balanced, flavorful, and nutritious meal. So delicious! This creamy sauce with a bite of ginger is fantastic. Since I'm a big peanut butter fan in general, for me, there is no better way to make tempeh than this. I have to leave now and indulge in this incredible food. Thank you for watching, keep well, and goodbye.